We're going to take a look now on how to use Canva and to take pictures and turn it into a video so you can advertise with it and use it to post easily without having to go make the video. Sometimes you're in a rush, you just need a quick video, or your client wants to see it, or you want something for posting. This is an easy way to do that. So if you're into Canva and you only need the free one, you just go up here and hit create a design. And then I'm going to go right here and type in slideshow. And then right here, you're looking for slideshow video. Okay, so I'm going to go right here, slideshow video. It's going to open up. Now, the first thing I want to do is I don't need probably 5 seconds per picture. You can if you want. I like to go to 3 or 4. So I might turn this one into 4 seconds because this is a pretty amazing house I found. And then I went in there and took a home from my company. I picked the one here that is 8.5 million in Magnolia, Texas by EXP. The broker, the realtor out there is Jamie Bechtold. So it's a beautiful home, beautiful out there, ready to go. I mean, just an incredible home. You'll see as we start putting pictures, 8.5 million, it better be. And if you're a real estate agent, there's a 2% commission on this. So that puts you at $170,000 if you sell this home. So these are the kind of homes I like to pick. Now, the first thing I need to do is I need to upload. I'm going to go here and upload files. And then I'm going to grab it from my files that I just uploaded. I can take it right here. I'm going to modify the date I used today was the last one. Let me get the right address real quick. Right big circle. And let's do that again. Upload. So you have a lot of stuff. That's okay. Here's the home. And I want all the pictures. So there's a couple ways you can do it. You can do it this way and try to pull all the pictures in at once. But if you do it that way, you're going to have all these pictures kind of crowding around. So I'm going to grab the first one, for example. And there it is. And now I have that uploaded. And then I'm going to go back to my slideshow video. And then if I go to my uploads and hit, cancel that, sorry. And I hit my refresh because I was in a different Canva practicing earlier. You'll see in my picture now in my uploads is right here. So that's my first picture. And then all I do is have to go like this, fit it in the corners, make sure it looks pretty, and then make it big enough to fit the screen. That's the first picture. See how beautiful that is. Now, the good thing is, let me just get rid of that picture for a second. If I don't want to use that picture, I don't want to have to do each one of these pages. When I click on this, I can just hit Control D, and then I can go through and add as many as I want. And there's like 45 pictures of this home, so I'm just going to add a bunch. The one thing I haven't tried that we're going to try real quick is see if I can grab the pictures. You're probably, some of you already knowing that you can do this. I don't know if I can. So I'm going to find out if I can. And then once I find the pictures, and I find the date modified here, I'm going to try to shrink this down a little bit to get it out of the way some. I know there's probably easier ways. You tech people are probably laughing their heads off at me right now, but that's okay. I'm going to figure it out my own way. And I'm going to try to grab this first picture, see if I can just drop it in there. It looks like you can. So that will be easier for me. Instead of trying to upload every picture, I can just quickly go like this and just drop these suckers in. So that's what I'm going to do real quick, and I'll be right back. So now that you didn't want you to watch that boring of dropping all the pictures in. So all the pictures are in. As you can see, when you open them up, if you right click, you can set image as background. And sometimes that makes it a little bit easier to just do that instead of trying to, click on the corner, drag it around. This makes it fit perfectly in the background. Now I moved this picture to the front. As you can see, this is gorgeous. And then the next picture is the big view of the house with the huge, little other houses on the side, all that. So this is ready to go. It's beautiful. As you can see, as I throw them in there, it adds them on the side. All these pictures are there. It's just amazing. So I'm ready to go. I have this awesome home. Each picture is going to go for 4 seconds as people see it. Now you want your first picture to be pretty stunning, pretty amazing to catch people's attention. So I have that. And then I go up here, I hit share. Let me get this thing out of my way. I'm going to hit share. And then I'm going to download. And you see it's an MP4 video. So I'm going to hit download. And then it's going to automatically say, where do you want to put this MP4 video at? And then it's loading it up right now for me. And then we're going to just throw it right now. We'll probably just throw it in downloads just to keep it simple and keep it out of the way. So this is now I have a video. I'm ready to put it, and you can see at the bottom it's 3 minutes long. So if I was going to do it in my Google My Business page, I would have to keep it under that. I'm going to put luxury home, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't matter how to spell it. No one sees it but you. And then I have my video right there ready to go, my 3-minute video. So now that I have it, I can put this on my YouTube. I can put this anywhere. I can also I'll go ahead and throw it in Facebook, for example. And then if I go to Facebook right here, I can drop it in and say, check out this amazing luxury home. And then all I have to do is click here, grab my video I just made in my downloads, throw it in. And look how awesome that looks. That's going to get people's attention right away. And then I post it. And there it is, ready to go. And it's loading up right now. See, board right there is being processed, ready to go. So then that way, when you do it and you build it, if you put it anywhere else, I recommend, of course, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, places like that where you can put videos. It's good if you can put it in Google My Business, but then I would have to trim it to only a minute long. So at that time, I would only take some of the pictures and make it a minute long, because that's the max for Google My Business. And then I would put it in a couple other places and just have a good time with it, because it's such an awesome home. I mean, with the 2% commission, as we mentioned, if you're a realtor, it's $170,000 commission you would make on this home if you help someone sell, if you bring a buyer. So I would definitely probably share this with groups. Say, I'm in Texas, so this is where this home's in the Houston area. So people who are coming there are going to be from California, from Colorado, from Chicago, maybe New York, from Florida, from places who are looking, or they have oil companies, things like that. This is the ultra rich. It's almost a $9 million, it's an $8.5 million home. So not everyone's going to be able to afford it, of course. And it's 12,000 square feet, almost 13,000 square feet. So it's a monster home, but it is beautiful. So if you're looking for anything like that, please reach out. I'd love to get you in there to see this home and take care of you. At the same time, hope this helps. You can turn your videos, your pictures into videos and advertise. And it's very simple to do this. I also have another video how to do it in PowerPoint. This is how you do it in Canva.